Hey everybody, Justin Seener here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a home decor Shopify store with Doba Dropshipping. Really cool. I'll show you how to add products, just like the one you're seeing right here, this really cool 5-piece art canvas. And it's all about dropshipping. What exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's the best business model on the internet today. You get to sell tons and tons of different products, like so many different home decor products, which I'm going to show you in this video. But you could also sell electronics, clothing, home goods, beauty items, so much more, fitness products, cat products, dog products, all without ever touching any inventory, without ever paying up front for any inventory. And the best part is without ever dealing with any warehousing or shipping logistics, zero upfront costs, never deal with shipping. That's why drop shipping is such a powerful model. And really the old way of doing it was, the wholesale route where you'd have to pay up front and order 100 or 500 or 1,000 pieces at minimum. A lot of money up front, a lot of risk right there. And not only that, you have to store it somewhere and then deal with shipping. But we're not going to do that. We're doing it the new way, the correct way, drop shipping with Shopify. And we're going to connect existing products from our dropship supplier, Doba. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. When we make that connection, when we add the app to our Shopify store, we'll be able to add products directly from Doba into our Shopify store. And just like any other product, customers will be able to come, they'll be able to purchase those products, and they'll be able to pay us money for products that we don't even touch, right? Cash flow positive business here. And as soon as that happens automatically, when a customer orders, our dropship supply partner, Doba, they're going to take that product, they're going to package it up nice and securely, and they're going to ship it out to your customer. They're even going to send the tracking number on your behalf. It couldn't be any easier, and it all happens automatically with the Doba app. And it's really the right way to do dropshipping, the best way to do dropshipping. You see the link directly below this video. Highly recommended. The Doba Dropshipping app, it literally has every single thing that you need to crush it with dropshipping. All you got to do, 4-step process. Step 1, install the Doba Dropshipping app. Again, you see the link below this video. Step 2, search for products in your niche. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Step 3, you're going to choose winning products for your store. You'll pick out which products you want to add into your store. And finally, step 4, you're going to add those products to your store in a single click. Really easy. Importing all of those products into the store couldn't be any easier. And again, it's all automated. When an order comes in, Doba is going to take the product, ship it out, package it all nicely, provide the tracking number, all done for you. So we're going to go over the shoulder. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. You could sign up for Doba and get this great 14-day free trial. You see the link, doba.com, directly below this video. And once you're inside your account, you'll be brought over into the Doba catalog. And so many great things to look at. They have all the different categories over here. Highly recommend taking a look at the TikTok shop selections and the high profit product sections. But we're going to come over here and we're going to search for home decor. And, a lot of different searches you could make here, a lot of different categories you could find products here for a home decor Shopify store. And we could even search through entire categories like the general home decor category. You can come over here and find it this way under home garden. But really easy to kind of just search keywords, right? And this is what we're going to start with, home decor. And we see what I showed you earlier, right? We can click into any of these products and see more detail. We could scroll through imagery right over here. For example, this LED bedroom clock. We can click inside it. And it's going to open up just kind of like any other store would open up, except this is the catalog detail page or the product detail page in the Doba catalog. And all these products are available for you to drop ship immediately. And see over here, shipping, talking about 3 business day estimated for processing, 10 to 15 days via USPS, shipping to the US. Of course, you could change this coming from China over here. You can do different colors as well, different variants, lots of different styles. And really cool about this is that you see the price, you see all the different details. It automatically will get sent off into your Shopify store. Really easy, right? We want to build a home decor store, want to have some products with great imagery. Well, you see this right here, really impressive imagery. And all this gets sent over into our store. How do we do it? All we need to do is click add to inventory list. And we could even categorize this into specific categories. We can add a new one if we wanted. For example, we could do home decor and click confirm. And adding a product to an inventory list is the first step in getting it off to our store. And the whole idea is what we're going to do, and I'll show you that, is we're going to take our products over here, or we're going to find products in the catalog, and we're going to add them to our inventory list. And then we're going to take our inventory list and send it right into Shopify. We're going to take these products, and you see, of course, click another random one, these metal hummingbirds. They have a cost, right? This is what it's going to cost. They have a title. They have imagery, right? They have description. They have great, more detailed images. All this gets sent off into Shopify. Basically, it gets created as your own Shopify product. So now we can build a home decor store, no money out of our pocket, no upfront inventory, no storing these things anywhere. And we could just simply say, hey, I like this. This looks like it would fit my store. We'll click add to inventory list. I'll categorize this and we'll click confirm. And eventually what's going to happen is you'll have a massive set of products in your inventory list, and more importantly, in your store. So we can come over here and go on home decor, and you see I have some other products like, for example, the cat niche or the beauty niche, home decor, and we could basically go list to store. And this is going to be a one-click connection to create these products in our Shopify store and have everything automated, because if anyone comes and orders this wooden triangle storage rack or this digital LED clock, it's going to get shown over here in the orders section. So really cool to kind of just be able to track everything, of course, all of it automated. But we basically just go, and I'm going to show you some more. We'll come back over here. Come over here, and how about something like wall canvas? Take a look at that. So many different styles over here. And you could one-click add to inventory, right? If you say, I just want to add a lot of these products into my store, no problem, right? We could just do that. We could add this, right? And once we're building our inventory list, all of them will be one-click add from Doba into our Shopify store. We'll be able to set the price and all that great stuff as well. So I'll just add a couple more over here. And you can imagine, maybe just spend an hour searching through this massive Doba catalog, and you could literally build an entire store. You don't have to worry about products for the next year. You could literally add them all right now. I'm just finding and clicking on pretty much anything that I think would look cool in a home decor store, and this could simply just be my wall canvas section. So now here's the really cool part. Let's say we want to go ahead and add some products into our store. We could select all of them at once if we want, but I'm just going to select a couple. Right, we can come over here. Actually, these are pretty similar. I'll select over here and select this one, and then I'll select a different type of product. I'll do the LED clock. So now we'll click list to store. Okay, and we've already connected our store, and of course that'll be the first thing that you do when you install the app and sign up for Doba. You'll connect your Shopify store. Go ahead and select that. Then basically over here, what we have the ability to is now select and put in all of the information that we want for a specific product. And if you don't want to do that, you could just have AI Optimizer do it for you, right? Literally using AI to create product title. You could have them do it for product description as well. And I'll go ahead and choose that one, and I'll let it optimize over here as well. Going to create the product title. Remember, this was the LED clock that we added. And of course, all this information, even though it's AI generated, the originals are being pulled from the Doba product detail page. So we don't need to do anything here at all. We could select what collection we want to have in there. If you want, you could sync your collections, come over here, have this automatically generated because, again, Doba product detail page provided all this already. So we're getting this done for you. You could add in more stuff up here if you wanted to. Maybe you want to say something like, this is going to be your new favorite product. Put whatever you want for your description. You could also do AI Optimizer here as well. Variants, this is going to be the kind of variant options. Maybe, for example, over here we have some variants, like could be different color or different sizes. Over here, it's just kind of one size fits all. Here's our price, Doba price, okay? What does this mean? Well, this is what it's going to cost you, right? So you want to sell more, you want to charge more than this, and we're going to be able to because this is a pretty nice product over here. In terms of this wall art, it's kind of at a high perceived value. It's only costing $35.62. And we see the total shipping cost and all that great stuff. So it's going to calculate our profit. How much do we want to make? I think we could confidently charge $79 over here. We're looking at $41 profit for this 12 by 12 photo set of the, kind of the rose style. So experiment with your pricing, of course. Put it over here for compare price. Put in that. Now we can over here, it's already got our title. We could do description. And the cool part about this is those images, high quality imagery, automatically getting sent over in here. You see some of the product details getting sent as well. So really easy to do. Of course, you could edit it, change it yourself. You could also change the formatting, right? You see bold, italic, underline, any of that stuff. Putting it right here. Here's a good example where we have different variants. And maybe you say, I don't want to include orange and red. It looks too similar. I'm going to take off the orange. Maybe you say, I don't want to do the white or the white blue. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Maybe you say, I just want to do red and purple. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Maybe you want to call this dark purple, right? You can call it whatever you want. You can call this bright red. change whatever you want over here. These are just going to be the options or the variants that are available to choose. Okay, we have our shipping automatically coming over here because, again, coming straight from the product detail page, Doba provides all that information. Coming over here, we're now going to set our price. See our profit again on here. We're going to charge $35 over here, giving us about $22 in margin. So we have all of our information. We could even hand pick the photos that are going to get sent over. So we have all of these photos, and we could unselect them, or we only have red and purple, so we're just going to go and add those. So we have that now. Images look good everywhere, pretty much good to go. You'll be able to do this really quickly as well once you start getting used to it. You could add products in multiple products a minute. So we'll click List Now. What's going to happen is our products are being listed to our Shopify store. You see over here, the listing is being created right now. And what does that mean? Well, a new Shopify product is being created. So you don't need to go and copy and paste any of this information. You don't need to, right-click and save the images or anything like that. Literally going to be created inside of our Shopify store. And here it is over here, our elegant rose canvas, and you see everything, of course, our product description, our price, and they can just add it to cart just like any other product. Really, really easy to do when it comes to kind of adding these products. So that was Doba. Literally can build your dream drop shipping business. All you need to do is just follow along with what I showed you there. Get some great products in your store, add them. Everything's automated, literally no upfront costs. You don't have to buy any minimums or anything like that. That's why drop shipping with Doba, so powerful. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment underneath this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. Otherwise, I hope you build that massive drop shipping business with Doba. I hope you make a lot of money, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.